Hello, good day. How are you today? I hope you're good. Okay, so are we ready for today's lesson? Today's lesson in agricultural science, we are going to be learning about product packaging and marketing. We are going to be learning about product packaging and marketing. Okay? So are we ready for today's lesson? Okay, firstly, we are going to know the meaning of preservation because preservation leads to packaging. So let's know the meaning of preservation first. What do we mean by preservation? Preservation of farm products refers to the methods and techniques used in extending the shelf life and maintain the quality of agricultural products after they have been harvested or processed. This is an important concept in agriculture and food science, and it is crucial for ensuring that farm products can be stored, transported, and consumed without spoiling. Common preservation methods: we have canning, drying, freezing. Examples of preserved products: jams and jellies are preserved through canning and sugar. Frozen vegetables and fruits are preserved by freezing. Salted fish and meats are preserved with salt. Okay, so now we are going to be looking at the benefits of preservation. Helps in food storage and distribution. Extends the availability of seasonal produce. Reduces food spoilage and waste. Ensures a stable food supply. So preservation is very important. Preservation helps us to prevent farm products from spoiling. Rotting. It ensures that food is available year-round, even when certain crops are out of season. Okay, so this is all about preservation. From preservation, we move over to product packaging and method. What do we mean by product packaging? Product packaging is the process of designing and creating containers for agricultural products. The purpose of packaging is because of protection and preservation and convenience. Okay? So product packaging is the process of designing and creating containers for agricultural products. So there are different methods of packaging. We are going to be looking at the different methods of packaging, okay? First, let's know the importance of packaging. Packaging is to protect agricultural products. It keeps them safe, fresh, and in good condition for the farm to give to the consumers. Okay, so the different types of packaging methods we have are bags and sacks. Grains, seeds, and some fruits are often packed in bags or sacks made of materials like jute, paper, or plastics. So bags and sacks are packaging methods. Boxes and crates. Fruits and vegetables like apples, oranges, and tomatoes are placed in boxes or crates for easy handling and protection. Cans and jars. Products like canned fruits and vegetables, as well as jams and preserves, are stored in metal cans or glass jars. Bottles. Liquids such as milk, juice, and honey are typically stored in bottles. Plastic containers. Products like yogurt and salad grains are often packed in plastic containers. So all these are packaging methods: bags and sacks, boxes and crates, cans and jars, bottles and plastic containers. All these are packaging method. Now let's look at the material used in packaging. The materials used in packaging. Materials used in packaging select paper. Paper bags or cardboard boxes are used for some products. They are biodegradable and eco-friendly. Then plastic. Plastic bags, containers and wraps are used for their durability, but they can have environmental concerns. Okay? Glass. Glass jars and bottles are used for products that need airtight sealing and protection from sunlight. Metal. Cans are made of metals and are good for preserving the contents for an extended period. So these are materials used for packaging: paper, plastics, glass and metal. Okay, so this is on product packaging, and we have talked about the different methods of packaging and the materials used in packaging. Now let's know the meaning of marketing and agricultural marketing activities. What do we mean by marketing? Marketing is a process of promoting and selling products or services to customers. It involves all the activities that a business or producer does to make their products known, attract potential buyers, and convince them to purchase those products. Agricultural marketing activities are specific to the buying and selling of agricultural products such as crops, livestock, and their related goods. These activities help farmers, producers, and other involved in agriculture get their products to consumers. Okay? So common marketing activity: productions first. This is where it all begins. The activity concerning marketing, that is what we're talking about, the common marketing activities. Production, this is where it all begins. Farmers grow crops and raise livestock. Harvesting, when crops are ready, they are collected from the field. Then packaging, products are put into containers or packaged that protect them and make them look appealing. Then transportation, products need to be moved from farms to markets or stores. This can involve trucks, trains or ships. Storage, some products are stored in cool, dry places to keep them fresh until they are sold. Wholesale and retail, wholesalers buy products in large quantities from farmers or producers and sell them to retailers. Retailers, like grocery stores, then sell products to individual consumers. So these are common marketing activities. Okay? Then advertising. This includes methods to make people aware of the product, like ads on TV, radio, or the internet. Selling, farmers, wholesalers, and retailers work to convince consumers to buy their product. Pricing, deciding how much to charge for products is an essential part of marketing. Prices need to be fair for both buyers and consumers. Buyers and sellers. Sorry for the mistake. Market research, learning about what consumers want and what the competition is doing is an important part of marketing. Okay? Customer service, making sure customers are happy with the product they are buying, is a crucial for repeat business. Okay? So these are common marketing activities. Do we understand that? Then we are going to be looking at the types of market in the agricultural products. The types of market in the agricultural products. We have the local market. A local market is where farmers sell their product in their nearby area or community. Buyers and sellers typically know each other, creating a sense of trust. Products are often fresh and may not have traveled long distance. That is in the local market. Then farmers markets. Farmers markets are special local markets where farmers directly sell their products to consumers. Consumers can buy fresh products and other farm products directly from the people who grow them. Wholesale markets. Wholesale markets are larger markets where farmers sell their products to middlemen known as wholesalers. Wholesalers then sell these products in bulk to retailers like grocery stores and restaurants. Then the retail markets. Retail markets are where consumers purchase agricultural products for their personal use. This includes grocery stores, supermarkets, and local shops. So these are the types of markets for agricultural products, where agricultural products are sold. Okay? Then global market. The global market involves the international trade of agricultural products. Products from one country are sold and transported to other countries. So the global market involves the international trade of agricultural products. Products sold from one country to another country. Then the online market. The online market is where agricultural products are bought and sold over the internet. Consumers can order products online and have them delivered to their doorstep. Specialty markets. Specialty markets cater to specific products or consumer needs. For example, organic food markets focus on organic products. And niche markets might specialize in unique or rare items. Commodity markets. Commodity markets are where standardized agricultural products like wheat or corn are bought and sold as raw material for various industries. So these are types of market for agricultural products. Okay? Good. So we learned about product packaging and marketing today, right? So we are going to do our assignment. I'm sure we'll be able to do it because we learned about them today, right? Good. Okay.